Shandong Great Steel Limited Company is a comprehensive enterprise established more than 18 years, which integrates metal product design, production, forging, processing, sales, logistics and distribution, factory and trade. Great Steel Factory covers an area of 50,000 square meters, the warehouse of 35,000 square meters. The company has in line with the international standard products of large-scale equipment. Foreign Trade Department of our company has 30 employees, looking forward to partners from all over the world to do a good job in coordination with the production department of Shandong Great Steel to provide 24-hour online services. Great Company has used more than 18 years of experience to sell its products to more than 80 countries and regions. United States, Canada, South America, Russia, East Asia, the Middle East, including Dubai, the Philippines, Indonesia, India, Japan, Korea, and Vietnam, etc. Our company has 4 business divisions: Special Materials Business Division, Forging Business Division, Carbon Steel Business Division, Steel Profile and Steel Wire Business Division. Our company main products are ductile iron pipe, ductile iron manhole cover, seamless steel pipe, carbon steel plate, galvanized sheet, galvanized coil, aluminum sheet, etc. We can, according to the drawings provided by customers, processing all kinds of special materials, special specifications of customized services. Shandong Great Steel Company always adheres to the concept of quality first, rapid delivery, and global cooperation. Shandong Great Steel Company look forward to cooperating with you to create a better tomorrow.